hello to my little friend. He wear number 26.
Bing bong! Mike can say he faster than you.
Bing bong life.
It's just a takeover, violent takeover. Anything that moves between these lines, gotta get dealt with. Defense, everything goes.
Lord, man, they talking about we want Dallas. My mom always told me, hey, be careful what you wish for, hey, because you might not like what you get, all right?
Show them the heavyweight, this is our division now. Turn it up. Turn it up. Hey, field it and dominate this. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Not that time, let's go. All business now.
Maybe they'll do something about that now. 3rd and 10. Back to throw. Screen left broken up by Gregory. Intercepted by Gregory. Running down to the 40 of Washington. Randy Gregory, welcome back to you, young man.
Yes, sir! Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. First off, I didn't even know what direction I was going, bro.
Hey, listen up.
Snap to Prescott, back with time, throws in the back of the end zone, top! Cooper under the goalpost! Touchdown, Dallas!
Stay in.
Right now, 4th and 2, Washington. Empty gun for Heineke, 4th and 2, back to throw, rush, sacked by Parsons! The ball's fumbled out, recovered by Dallas. They'll run it down the sideline. Dorrance Armstrong dances in. That'll be a Dallas touchdown.
Let's go. We'll be right back. Good job, baby.
I told you. I'm tired of the cap.
Hey, 4 quarters. Don't duck me the 3rd to 4th quarter.
You're angry. It's just a football game. You're angry.
Be loud.
I bet you won't go to work tomorrow. I bet you call off.
Don't duck me when we start coming back. Don't duck me.
You know you embarrassing yourself right now.
Washington's 0 for 3 on 3rd down. Back to throw on 3rd and 8. Pressured, hit. Good night, Parsons again. And the Lion has had 2 courses.
Let's go!
The only thing you gotta worry about is Myles Garrett. That's what they got about 15 sacks. That's the only bro. But
Micah don't rushes every single time. Micah don't rush every
bro.
time.
Micah don't even.
And he closest.
And Micah got way more tackles.
He too fast, bro.
Micah say he faster than you.
No. we already exhibited that. Hold on. All season, he was like, I got BGO. Wiped his ass 2 times in a row. Never came back.
Oh, no.
Rest it again. Never came back. Rest it
But
again.
don't say he's
We ain't gonna talk about the first couple times when he talking all this stuff. I figured him out. I switched my alignment. Now all you did is had an extra rep. Like, if I get an extra rep, what's gonna happen?
Cowboys have 21 points.
Wow.
Washington has gained 19 total yards.
Wow. Parsons is in coverage. Back goes Heineke, standing and looking. Throwing Dike on the field, and Diggs had it and dropped it. And then Parsons dropped it.
Push up, can't push up. Nah, it's your fault I dropped it.
You dropped the gimme. That flutter and you dropped it. No, Micah dropped the gimme.
George, don't do that. Don't do that, George. George, don't do that. No, I wasn't. I'm trying to keep going. All y'all got holes in your pocket. Everybody dropping the money. Let's get some money.
3, Heineke. Little play action on the RPO, and he's in trouble, and Parsons is coming, but he gets rid of it deep down the left sideline for Sims. The ball is contested by Diggs, and so it is a touchdown for Washington.
You all right? Don't sweat it. You're going to get it. You'll get it. You'll get it back. You'll get it back.
Snap back on 3rd down. Time to throw. Running left. Taken down short of the stick. 30 seconds of the 3rd quarter. Snap to Heineke under heavy pressure. Down you go, sir. On the line of scrimmage on the left, and he is coming. And Heineke's going to be sacked coming right up the middle by Neville Gallimore.
Welcome back, member! baby.
They've been doing that same snap count all day.
3rd and 4. Allen back. Throws it right underneath. Williams wide open in the middle of the field. First down and more. Allen in the gun. Snap is back. They're running Williams up the middle, and he scores.
I was like, no, those things cannot happen. Do you understand me? Like, these little things to let people breathe, you can't let that happen. Okay? You got to set your edge, you got to own your keys, you got to own your reads. 1st and 2nd down will give us the right to run.
2nd and 7 at the 25-yard line. Play action. Prescott peels to his right. Throws sidearm. It's intercepted by Holcomb. Down the left sideline. Holcomb's going to score.
Look at this.
Hey, it's on us. It's on us.
3rd and 3. Washington at their 37. Dallas up 7. Back is Allen. Pressure. Gets a ball. Throws the ball out as he's being sacked by Gregory.
But it may be a fumble.
If it's a fumble, it's picked up by Dallas. They are calling it Gregory forcing a fumble, and Dallas has recovered.
There's your ball game.
Let's go ahead and leave. Beat the traffic. Let's go ahead and leave. We want Dallas. We want Dallas. Hey, we'll see y'all in 2 weeks in Dallas. It's Victory Monday for us tomorrow. It's Victory Monday.